Lightning. Chapter 1. What is lightning? Lightning zigs. Lightning zigs. This book will tell you all about these bright flashes in the sky. Fast fact. There are about 9 million lightning strikes in the world every day. Lots of lightning. Lightning is a giant spark. This spark is made inside a cloud. Zap! A bolt of lightning can go all the way down to the ground. Sheet lightning, fork lightning. There are different kinds of lightning. Sheet lightning stays inside a cloud. It makes the cloud light up. Fork lightning shoots out of a cloud in bright branches. Fast fact. Lightning is even hotter than the burning sun. Lightning is very hot. It hits up the air so fast that it makes a loud boom. That is the sound of thunder. Chapter 2. Lightning safety. Lightning can be dangerous. Sometimes it strikes a big tree that can make the tree catch on fire. Fast fact. The Empire State Building in New York City gets struck by lightning about 100 times each year. Sometimes lightning hits tall buildings, but don't worry, they have special lightning rods to make sure the people inside are safe. Fast fact. A bolt of lightning can be more than 50 miles long. Lightning can also strike water. That is why you should always get out of a pool or the ocean before a storm starts. Where should you go during a lightning storm? Your home is the very best place to stay dry and safe. Chapter 3. Lightning Science. Don't ever try this. It is not safe. Long ago, a man named Ben Franklin was curious about lightning, so he flew a kite in a storm. Sparks moved down the string. This told Ben that lightning was electricity. Fast fact. Lightning moves faster than sound. You see lightning before you hear thunder. Here is a lightning experiment you can try when you see lightning. Start counting stuff when you hear thunder. The lightning is 1 mile away If you count to 5, it is 2 miles away. If you count to 10. Fast fact. Most lightning happens in the spring and summer when there is a lot of rain. Lightning is so bright that you can see it 100 meters miles away. But guess what? A bolt of lightning is only about as big round as a quarter. White, yellow, orange, purple. Lightning comes in many different colors. It can be white, yellow, orange, or purple. Purple is the hottest lightning of all. Wow, look for these colors during the next big storm. Bye bye.